What's going on, everybody? As promised, here's the next statue I got. This is Pop Culture Shock, Mortal Kombat Classic Liu Kang. I am very excited for this. I have waited exactly 1.6 years for this frickin' statue. Why does it take 1.6 years to produce 200 of these? I have no idea. PCS, please increase your production time. These are ridiculous. So here is my authenticity card. I got number 7 of 200. This is the exclusive with the light up dragon. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Yo, 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 check it out. Liu Kang Pop Culture Shock Classic Statue. Let's check out this bad boy. So first thing you'll notice is he has a bigger base than the ninjas. Much bigger, actually. More oblong shape. So this is all mixed media. The battery goes in the back left thigh. There's a switch there for the LED dragon, which by the way looks really cool. Look at that. The light, as you can see, is, you know, resonates right here and barely lights up the top of the dragon, but it still does light it up. For what it is, it looks like, you know, the bottom part is fire and then the rest is the dragon. It'd almost be better if they could somehow have the dragon a different color than the bottom part, maybe more reddish or something, but it's definitely super cool. There's no tongue at all with that dragon, like, you know, the MK symbol. But it's a really cool looking dragon. I really think the exclusive is a must with this. So there's the exclusive light up. Let's turn off this light up feature. Just a button back here. Boom. So, you know, it doesn't look quite as good with the light off, but, you know, Liu Kang's definitely really cool. He's slightly shorter than the ninja due to his pose, you know. The additional hand, I will show you that. It's basically, you could just insert this, and so he's having a hand out like that instead of the dragon. So it definitely works good for if you want to display him in fighting pose or just regular pose. So he's definitely a really cool statue. Let me turn on the light on my camera real quick. Okay, there you go. Now we have some better lighting here so you can see the detail that goes into here. So just check everything out. Here's his boots. The pants, I like the stitching, or like the, almost feels like leather right here to strap on his pants. Move that. There's his abs. You can see lots of little skin detail went into this. Let me just focus. There you go. You see all the detail in the skin tone. The dragon. He's definitely a ripped freaking guy. I wish I looked like that. Gosh. I mean, he's not this ripped in the video game, that's for sure. There's the face. His lips have a little gloss to them. There's the eyes. Headband. Thin material. And the hair looks good sculpted. You can see. No, they definitely sculpted the body very well. Let me show you in comparison my Psycho MK9 Liu Kang. So, this is my Psycho MK9 Liu Kang. So, as you can immediately see, different costume, different hairstyle. There's a huge difference between these two. You know, this one, he has like a freaking 9-pack, and his muscles are just ridiculous. And the face doesn't really look like Liu Kang. It does have this little switch out heart hand, which is actually kind of cool. I actually do like this costume better than that, the classic, but you know, if you want to collect MK, classic is honestly the way to go, just because the frickin', they don't make like the newer MK, it's not popular for some reason. For right now, I will display Liu Kang like this. When I get the 1/3 scale ninjas, I'm going to put them all right there. They'll be as tall as the shelf, which stands 28 inches above. I'll put Sub-Zero there, Scorpion there to get these art prints printed. So they'll go there, and I'll move Liu Kang and Reptile, you know, somewhere. I have sold a bunch of those Psycho statues I told you guys about. I only have a few left. Mostly the smaller scale. You know, I got Noob Saibot, Sonya, Scorpion, Sub-Zero, Motaro, Raiden, Liu Kang, Smoke, and those two. And that's it. I just sold those two down there, so they're sold, but this is all that's left. And the way I'll have it displayed is PCS MK9, all in this shelf. I'm going to do classic in here. So, you know, I'll put like Kintaro, Shao Kahn there, up here, like freaking the cyborgs, and maybe put Liu Kang up there, Raiden down low. You know, so this is all going to be my classic, these 3 shelves, and on top of here. Then this will be MKX. So I put the Predator there, Alien there. You know, I don't plan to get too much MKX really. I just want Scorpion, Sub-Zero, Kodokan, Devora, Quan Chi, Shinnok, and Jason Voorhees from Sideshow. That's it. After that, I'm good. Classic, you know, I want Cyborgs, at least Sector and Cyrax, Sonya, Johnny Cage, Jax, and definitely a Shang Tsung. I want Shang Tsung to go with Goro. Right now I just have Smoke. And then I want Kano to go with either Sonya or... No, Kano's definitely a must-have. I don't really care to get, like, Katana too much just because I have the MK9 version, so... Anyways, that's just my little future plan for MK. Classic, MK9, MKX. You know, I only sold my Psycho, not due to, like, I don't really like them, but it's more or less I just need the money because I don't have, like, paycheck money to pay for statues. I have to sell statues to buy statues, so that's how I've been able to afford things lately. You know, my wife doesn't allow me to use my paycheck. I mean, these statues are really cool, actually, and I would love to keep them, but, you know, I need the money for future other statues. You know, and, of course, I'm going to play Mortal Kombat XL after this. If any of you play, send me a friend request. You know, we can definitely game on. I'm on the PS4. My gamer tag is Flankster117. I have played a ridiculous amount of matches, over 5,000. I have a really good record. My main is Scorpion, Sub-Zero. I actually do like playing Liu Kang. He's actually pretty fun, so I'll probably play him today. You know? Back to Liu Kang. Awesome statue. Very limited. If you don't have him, jump on him immediately, you know, especially if you're an MK fan, you want to get in the classic line. This is an awesome opportunity. He is shipping. You can get him, you know, still pretty cheap, even the exclusive right now. Great freaking statue. Love it. I still think Goro's my favorite among the classic. People are saying Liu Kang. Liu Kang's awesome, don't get me wrong, but I love Goro. Goro's freaking a beast incarnate. Next to Goro is probably Liu Kang and then Scorpion, only because of Scorpion's extra heads. And then Reptile. I love that Reptile face. That thing's sick looking. Look at that. And these two go great together because they fought in the movie. So this is how I have it displayed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a great day.